Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. My channel is all about luxury unboxings as well as pre-loved and on occasion some beauty products. So if you feel that this is something that you might be interested in, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. Today's video is going to be something that I purchased from Coach. But before I unbox that and share that with you, I'd like to share with you guys today the bag of the day, and it's this beautiful Kirk Geiger leather bag with the bronze hardware and the signature eagle crystal on the front. I just love this bag. Leather is so soft. Thought I'd share that with you. Get that one out of the way. Hey guys, close up of the eagle, of the gold tone brass hardware, and I thought I'd give you a couple model shots of what I'm wearing today and what it looks like so you can see the size. Love the size of this bag. I love the color of it. The chain. I do have it cinched up a little tighter so it doesn't fall so far because I'm only 5'2". And there is my bag of the day, guys. I also wanted to share with you guys the polish of the day that I'm wearing, and it is this beautiful green and nude. It is from Gucci. There is the packaging. Very simple. There is the green right there that I'm wearing. I just love this color. Just gorgeous. As well as there is the nude. There's the two nail polishes together, guys. And you can see there the name of the polish. So I thought I'd share those with you today. So guys, let's unbox this together. This is the Rivington Rain Bootie. Go ahead and take off the lid. There's my receipt there. Also a care booklet. And I have not seen these yet, guys, either. So I'm hoping they're going to fit. I just love the color. Look at this, guys. They are in green. Let me just pull one out here. They are stunning. That say Coach. They are made of rubber. I love the detail here, as well as this to pull them off and on. Small heel, which is really nice. There is the bottom. I got them in a size 7. I usually take a 6, so we'll see how they fit. There's the front. I love how it says Coach. And this is just like a elastic fabric type material. Go ahead and take the stuffing out. There's the inside, guys. I don't know if you can really see the inside there. They are gorgeous. Let me get the other one out. And I did find these on their website. They were on for, I think, a regular price. I can't remember, but I did get them for $109 on the site. They did come in black, green, and 2 more other colors. I can't recall what those are. I think a burgundy. This boot, guys, the color is ombre blue. This next one is called Otter. The last one is called Bitter Chocolate. Here's what they look like on. I usually wear a size 6. These run fairly small. And if you have a wider foot, I would not recommend these, because they are very narrow on the front. But overall, a very nice boot. I just love them. I think I'll be picking them up in maybe black. I really like how it says Coach, and it's got the two-tone band with the C's. They are really nice, very comfortable, guys. I could see me walking the dog for a long time with these on, just going shopping. Very nice boot. So guys, I wanted to say thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith. So next time, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Stay safe. Bye-bye.